Okay, welcome back guys, welcome to the Bag Gift TV. Today's video I'll be showing you how to solve mathematics and be making money online. You can be solving mathematics and be making money for yourself. It's not required you solving this, but I'm going to give you the system I'm going to help you to solve the mathematics and be making money for yourself, and I'm going to show you the site to go and make your money from the site. Mathematics, you are good at mathematics, you can also do it, and you are not good at mathematics, you can also do it, but it doesn't require you solving the mathematics. You just go to the site to put the maths and to be solving it for you without you not doing anything. Okay, yes, what I'm going to do is that these are some maths questions. Okay, before I start, if you are new to this channel, can start to the channel, like and comment below. Let's see about this video. Okay, let's copy this question here. Let's copy the question here. Let's copy one question here like this. Okay, now copying it. Okay, let's try this one. Let's leave there. It's not copying the answer. The question is not copying. Let's go for linear. Okay, we are looking for a question that you can solve. Okay, there are some questions here. Copy the text. Okay, we take the question to ChatGPT. It's going to help us to solve the mathematics with artificial intelligence. It's going to help us to solve the mathematics. Okay, it's loading. Okay, you copy the question, you copy from the, you copy it. The question you copy from the site, you put it there, you send it. It's loading for us. It's loading. Okay, it's even showing us that it's even matrix. Guys, wait. It's going to solve everything for us, showing us how to solve everything. We don't even know that the computer even know that it's even matrix and calculus. It's a matrix subtraction result, and the answer is 2, 4, 6, 3. And this is the final answer here, and the one is correct answer. Okay, that is correct answer. Okay, let's go back to the site and copy some question again from the site. Okay, let's check the answer here. Okay, this is the answer there, and it's almost correct. It's correct too. Okay, let's go back and check some questions again. Okay, let's check some questions. Let's solve this. Copy this text again. Okay, let's see the answer of this one before we go to ChatGPT. This is the question. Okay, this is the answer here. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Okay, this is the answer here. That is the solution. This is the steps. You can also download the app. Okay, the answer is 15 all over 2. Okay, 15 all over all this. Okay, we go to ChatGPT. Go back to ChatGPT. It's going to solve the question for us. I already copied the question and just paste it there and put it and send. Okay, solve this expression. Okay, it's showing us on how to solve it. Okay, it's showing us the steps. It's showing us the step on how to solve it. Are you seeing, guys? It's showing us the step from the beginning. You need to explain everything for us, guys. Listen, this is final result. This is the final result. Okay, let's go to Upwork.com. You'll be seeing how people are charging people for doing mathematics for them. Upwork. Okay, this is Upwork.com, the freelancing site where you can work every day and can get paid every day. What you have to do is that you have to sign up in the site and create your own gigs what you can do. Okay, there are many jobs there. This is one of the jobs you can say you can do. You can also solve mathematics solutions. Okay, telling them you can also solve mathematics. Okay, this one solve math algebra, and you charge $45 for one mathematics solving. Okay, you charge $45. Okay, this is one of the top guys there. So you charge $70 for solving mathematics. Okay, this one you charge $5 for solving mathematics. Okay, if you can come here and sign up and tell them I can also solve mathematics, and then you will be getting paid every day. Okay, you just have to copy the question and go to ChatGPT and be solving your question for you. You know, maybe you are a mathematics guru. You can also solve it for yourself. You have to sign up and create your account on this. Okay, just put I'm a freelancer, create account, put all the details, ask you to do. Okay, put all the details for you, and if any job they give any job, you go to see it through your Gmail. You sign up. Okay, go back. Let's look on that question. Okay, let's go back to this and look on that question. This is another question. Yeah. Okay, let's solve this mathematics here. You copy the text. You go to ChatGPT. After giving you the question, come here. Okay. ChatGPT here. Okay, you put the question there. Okay, it's going to solve it for us. Okay. Yes, it's solving a question for us now. It's solving a question for us. It's explaining the question from the beginning to the end. It's going to explain it for us. It's done. Okay. This divide means times. You understand? Means all over. Okay. We have solved the answer for us. This is the final answer. Yeah, also check the site to check if it's correct or not. Okay. I'm going to give you the site where you can be solving analysis for people. The first one is student pool. Study pool. It is studypool.com. This is studypool.com. Go there. You will sign up your account. You have to sign up. Create another account there. Okay. Okay. Here you can be solving mathematics, science, business, programming, managing and writing. You are article writer. That's why article you can come here to come and write article for yourself, but you're only targeting mathematics. Okay. Just search for mathematics. Make sure you sign up. And people that need this job are going to be contacting you to solve mathematics for them. Okay. After you have signed up, they'll be contacting you to be solve mathematics for them every day. Okay, this is another site here called Freebo. Okay, another site called yopo.com. So try this site too. Listen here, the students expanding teaching. Here you can be teaching people mathematics and they get paid. Okay, you have to sign up. Okay, sign up. I'm teaching mathematics. Next site is Freebo. Okay, this one you have the most paid one. You site here can be online tutor teaching people mathematics. You have to sign up and tell them that you can solve mathematics. That's how it works. Like this video, kindly subscribe to this channel and comment below what you see about this video. See my next video and try and watch this video from beginning to end to understand how this works. Okay, thank you for watching. See my next video.